Here we are at Twin Barns.
Yeah, we're at Twin Barns Brewing Company in Meredith, New Hampshire, and we're gonna do a beer tasting. Let's see. We're waiting for one, so changing out the keg. We're gonna start with twin beans.
Coffee vanilla blonde.
Ooh, that sounds like dessert.
5.2%. All right, let's pick out some food.
Yeah, let's pick out some food.
Yum.
We're having the Bang Bang tacos.
Bang Bang steak tacos.
Steak tacos. Oh my gosh, they're delicious.
Decent amount of steak in there too.
This is from their silo food truck from their outdoor beer garden here.
Very tasty.
Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Excellent choice.
Definitely.
Right. We hope you'll share our boho bus adventure. We're having the time of our lives. Stay tuned. It's kind of a cool night.
It is.
Night. Look at that sky behind us.
Cooling
That's
off.
pretty cool.
And I don't know if they can see the mountains in the background. Let's see if we can get the mountains in the background.
Where are they?
They're way over there. I don't know. I don't know.
Very pretty. Pretty
All right.
scenery here.
We're heading to our concert.
Okay. Across from the Opera House, we found an amazing ice cream place where we shared a double scoop of cinnamon bun cheesecake and cookie dough. We had a fabulous date night. Tomorrow we'll be headed to upstate New York to a harvest host.